Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we check internet connection to Flutter. Now let's start with add package internet connection checker to pubspec YAML, save. Then we open main.dart and update default project. Remove debug show checked not banner, write false, remove title, remove a bar, comments, save. Then we write variable bool, right name is internet, and write false. Next we write init state and create method init, and maybe we can write name this method check internet connection, this method async, write bool result await, write internet connection checker, then write has connection, and then we update variable is internet, write result, write if we listen result variable is internet, and we can update information. Then we write log and write yeah, and write free code doc fix. And if we have false result, and we get information no internet reason. And we update state screen, then we add check internet connection to init state, save, and write icon then write is internet, write icons dot Wi-Fi, and write icons dot Wi-Fi off, save, then write size icon 200, write color, and the write is internet, write colors blue, write colors dot red, then we write widget text and switch variable is internet, then we add text and write style, text style, write font size 22, color, check color, save. And now we check internet connection to iOS emulator, and let's start with at breakpoint. Now we have internet connection. If we remove internet connection to my MacBook, we have not internet connection and have screen no internet. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.